Oh no, it's ruined. Why did the strap have to break right now? Should I just throw it away? No, even though it's a bit old and worn down, it's still usable. Right. If it were you, would you throw this sandal away? As for me, I won't. I have a way to fix it. Follow me. I will show you how to fix it so you can use it without spending a single penny. Here is the broken sandal. And to fix it, we need to prepare a pair of metal shears, a utility knife, a lighter, a bottle of glue. Next are 2 beer cans with pull tabs. And finally, a piece of foam. Okay, I've got everything ready. Let's get straight to work. First, I will remove these 2 pull tabs. Next is the second tab. I'll use these shears to cut these 2 tabs . When cutting, please cut this metal piece to be as small as the hole in the sandal. Be careful not to cut off the hole of the pull tab. Okay, the tab now fits the hole of the sandal. Let's move on to the second tab. Absolutely do not cut off this small tab piece. Okay, it fits perfectly now. Next, I'll push the sandal strap through this hole. Then attach the 2 cut metal pieces to the strap. The reason why I told you not to cut off that small metal tab is that when you attach it, that small piece will be pressed down to prevent the strap from slipping out. After installing it, I push it into the hole of the sandal. To keep the strap from slipping out easily, take a lighter and melt the tip of the strap just a little bit. Then use the shears to press down on the tip so it won't slip out easily. Now, we will push it into the hole of the sandal. any excess metal sticking out, we'll use the shears to trim it off. Next, I'll put a little bit of foam into this spot. Then pour the glue over the foam. Before pouring the glue inside, I'll test it outside first to show you how hard the glue gets after being poured onto the foam. Once the mixture dries, it becomes extremely hard. Now I'll put the foam in, then pour the glue inside to secure the strap. Pour the glue slowly. Let's cut one more piece of foam and done. Now, we just wait for the glue to dry. The glue is dry. I will use this utility knife to trim off the excess glue and foam so the sole becomes completely flat. Okay, now I have successfully fixed a broken sandal strap and can use it normally without worrying about the strap falling off again. Do you find this method interesting? If you do, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel. Next time your sandal strap breaks, don't rush to throw it away. Fix it, and it will save you money. Thank you for watching the whole video, and see you in the next one. Goodbye, and see you again. Bye-bye.